In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your CRM with your help desk platform in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a quick, no-nonsense guide to streamline your customer support and sales, stick around till the end. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to integrate both platforms, saving you time and effort. Plus, I've tried out a bunch of different software, and I'll share the one I recommend, along with an exclusive free trial for my viewers. Just check the link in the description below. To start, let's talk about the benefits of connecting your CRM with your help desk platform. When you integrate these two tools, you create a seamless flow of information between your sales and support teams. This means fewer missed opportunities, faster response times, and a more cohesive customer experience. But how do we set this up? Let's dive in. First, you'll need to choose the CRM and help desk platforms you want to integrate. There are a lot of options out there, but we'll be using our software today as an example, which is one of the easiest to connect with other platforms. Check out the link in the description to get your exclusive free trial of our software. Once you've selected the platforms you're using, log in to both your CRM and your help desk account. Most platforms offer easy-to-find integration options under the Settings or Integrations tab. In our case, it's in the Settings menu right under Integrations. You'll see a list of available integrations, including your CRM and help desk platforms. Click on the integration you want to connect. After that, you'll be asked to log into the platform you want to connect to. This is usually a simple OAuth login process, so just enter your credentials and give permission for the connection. If you're unsure, check your platform's documentation for specific steps or troubleshooting. Now here's where things get interesting. Once connected, you can map out the fields between your CRM and help desk. This means linking customer profiles, tickets, and other data to ensure everything syncs up properly. You'll want to ensure that your support agents can view relevant customer info right from their help desk dashboard. This way, they can address customer issues faster and with more context, leading to a smoother experience for everyone involved. Next, you'll want to test the integration. Create a test ticket in your help desk and check if the customer's CRM data pulls through correctly. If all goes well, you should see the customer's contact information, past interactions, and any ongoing sales activities. You can also test the reverse. Create a test lead in your CRM and check that the relevant help desk data syncs properly. If you run into any issues, don't worry. Most CRM and help desk integrations come with troubleshooting guides. If you're using our software, there's a dedicated support team available 24/7 to help with setup. Just drop them a message and they'll walk you through the steps. Once everything is synced and working properly, you'll have a streamlined workflow where your sales and support teams are always on the same page. This integration will improve your efficiency and give your customers a more personalized experience. Key takeaway: connecting your CRM with your help desk platform is an absolute game changer for streamlining customer service and sales. It enables faster response times, a better customer experience, and a more connected team. Just remember to check your integration settings, map your fields correctly, and test the connection to make sure everything is working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for our software, available only to viewers of my channel. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.